Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys that I recently had this problem that my new number, this is my new number I just purchased about a month ago, and then I'm trying to register or sign up for Telegram, and then after I input the number and then I click yes about here, the message is check your Telegram message. We've sent the code to the Telegram app, blah 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 blah. So I'm just crumbling around for this about 20 minutes, and I get the problem. The problem is this number already registered into Telegram app. So I never registered with this number. I don't know who already registered this one. So there is no many option here, as you can see. If you didn't blah 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 blah, you can click help, and then I think it's supposed to be when you click help here, the admin will assist you to recover or regain your number to the Telegram apps. So the thing is, someone already scam your number, or someone already claim your number into Telegram app. So unfortunate, I don't have the solution for this problem. So if someone has this solution, please put on the comment below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.